Friends, if you have a Casio digital watch like this, I have the watch here. It's an Al-Salah one. Casio digital watches are the same kind too. If you have an F-91 like this and want to set the time and date, the method is very easy. Friends, just watch this video all the way through and pay close attention. After watching it, you will be able to set everything easily at home. Friends, my name is Ishtiaq Ahmed and you are watching my channel Saidi Watch Jampur. Friends, to set the time on this watch, there are 3 buttons here. First, press the mode button. Here you have to set the alarm on this watch. Press the top button, and by pressing this button you can fully set the alarm. Again, press the bottom button. Here you can use the stopwatch. Press the bottom button again, and here you can see the hours are blinking. Now press the top button. Friends, now you have to set the hours like this. After that, press the top button again. Here you set the minutes. After that, press the top button again. Here you set the month. After that, press the top button again. Here you set the date. After that, press the top button again. Here you set the day. Friends, the setting is now complete. After that, press the bottom button and the man screen, the home screen will appear here. So this is how you can set Casio digital watches or Al-Salah digital watches, F-91 watches, and complete the full setting. I hope you like this video. If you did, like it, share it with your friends, and if you have any issue with this watch or any kind of watch, you can tell me in the comments. See you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.